Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Ito ang aking food for this morning guys. Sarsyadong tilapia, ayan. And konting kanin lang. Kasi alam nyo naman, pero present siya. Ayun guys. And meron tayong saging. At ito na yung ulam namin for lunch. So binili ko na guys. So alam nyo na, sa mga tamad dyan magluto, shout out. Medyo tinamad talaga ako guys. Pero this time, no fast food. Kasi it's not advisable to do that every day because it's not healthy. Okay, so eto na. Ayan na. Ayan na yung aking food for this morning. So, laban lang tayo guys, kahit may sometimes nakakatamad na talaga, parang wala namang ganap. So, yun lang. Good morning! Let's eat po! Kain guys. O, diba? Ayos. Then after nito, ayan naman yung aking salad. So, while watching TV guys, ganun lang. So, enjoy lang eating.
Okay, sa loob naman ko na yan ay may star. So, ang puffs na yan na may star ay may katumbas na 10,000 pesos! Ngayon siya, kung lalaranin ka na, ilabas na ang mga Robux!
Happy lunch! Ito yung lunch ko guys.
Yan ang mga players. Pwede na kayo mag-mine ng isang Robux.
So, yun lang guys. Happy lunch!